Good afternoon everyone. My name is Jay Shirisha. I am from CSC MLC section. Our subject name is data structure. Now my topic is transmitting information to knowledge with an intermediate graph. Now coming to introduction to information and knowledge. Information is raw data that has it to be proceeded and contextualized. Knowledge on the other hand is information that has been interpreted and understood. The transformation from information to knowledge is crucial for effective decision making enterprise. Now, the importance of data in enterprise. Data serves as the foundation for insights and strategic planning. Organization collects vast amount of the data from various sources. Properly managing this data is essential for maintaining competitive advantages. Now we can see that the recycling diagram, which is data enterprises. Define why you need data analysis and begin collecting data from sources. Clean through unnecessary data. Begin analysis the data. Interrupt the result and applying them. Now these all the process are recycling, and these all are the importance of the data in enterprises. Now understanding graph theory. Graph theory studies the relationships between entity represented as nodes and the graphs. The graph shows that they represent the relationship between the nodes and the edges, which has nodes and word edges. The graph contains loops and points, edges, nodes. It provides a framework for visualization complex connections in data. Utilizing graph structure can enhance the understanding of relation data. When we use the graphs for data, we can understand that the relationship between relational data, what is the purpose of the data, we can store in the graph. Now, information versus knowledge. Information is often quantitative and can be measured objectively. Knowledge involves quantitative aspects and requires comprehensive and context. The conversion process is critical for leveraging data into actionable insights. Now, we can see this graph. It is slowly decreases from data to wisdom. Here the data raw is red. Information means south facing traffic light on corner of Pitt and Gorge streets has turned red. Knowledge. Context is the traffic light I am driving towards has turned red. Wisdom. Applied. ID better stop to the car. The information between the data and wisdom is slowly decreases from down to top. The role of enterprise graph. Enterprise graph represents the interconnectedness of data within an organization. They help in mapping relationship, hierarchies and workflows. By visualizing data as graph, enterprise can uncover hidden patterns. It can visualize the graph. Enterprises can uncover that hidden values. And coming from the data, it has a data apps which has search and recovery, text analysis, artificial intelligence, business analysis, seating models. And data apps have so many parts, and that parts which is artificial intelligence, text analysis, it also has so many types from the role of the enterprise graph. Now the data collection method. Data collection means which has primary data and the secondary data collections. Now what's the real meaning of the data collection method? It is various methods exist for the gathering data, including surveys, APIs and the sensors. Each method has its strength and weakness, recording accuracy and the timelines. and each data and each primary data or secondary data has the weakness, strength and weakness are there. Understanding these methods is vital for the effective data management. Now the types of the data collections. There are the two types: primary, secondary data, and secondary data collection. From primary data collection, example surveys, interviews, or opinion polls. From secondary collection data, examples company annual reports, sales records, internal information. From data processing techniques, data cleaning ensures that only accurate and relevant information is used. Data integration combines data from different sources into a consequential format. These techniques help improve the quality of the information for the analysis. From the data processing techniques, there are so many types which is useful for improving the information which is stored in the data. Now we can see this is a diagram: data cleaning. Data cleaning, which has a recycle bin, like a removal of the unwanted observation, fixing structural errors, managing unwanted outlines, handling missing data. Analyzing data with graphs. Analyzing means the graph have some units. We can analyze it, and what is the type of the graph, what's the value of the graph, like this. Graph algorithm allows for the efficient analysis of connection and relationship. Techniques such as clustering and the certainty can reveal key insights. This analysis is crucial for transforming information into actionable knowledge. Here we can see that the graph clustering, how should the nodes be grouped? Here we can see that the loops in the graph, which is known as also a grouped graph. Now, knowledge creation process. The process of knowledge creation involves an interpretation and then reflection on information. Collaboration among teams can enhance the quality of the knowledge produced, and documenting insights ensures that knowledge is retained with the organization. Tools for graph visualization. We can use tools for graph visualization. Various tools exist for the visualization enterprise graphs, such as Neo4j and HEPI. These tools facilitate the exploration of the complex data relationship. Effective visualization can lead to better understanding and communication of the insights. Challenges in transmitting information. Data overload can hinder the ability to extract meaningful knowledge. Ensuring data quality is a persistent challenge for the enterprise's resistance to challenge may also impede the adoption of the graph-based methods. There have 6 key consequences of the information overload. There are poor decision making, memory loss, stress and anxiety, low productivity, short attention span, lack of the self-confidence. These are the 6 key consequences of the information overload. Best practices for the knowledge management. Establish clear protocols for data collection and processing. Foster a cluster of the collaboration and continuous learning. Regular update knowledge repositories to reflect new insights. The six steps to implementing knowledge of management. There are 6 steps, 6 consequences in the challenging, and 6 steps to implement knowledge management. Here, the real-world application of the graph, future trends in the information of knowledge management. Real-world application of the graph. Many industries utilize graphs for their fraud detection, networks analysis, and customer insights. Case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of the graph-based approaches. These applications further validate the importance of the transforming information to knowledge. Further trends in information and knowledge management. The rise of AI and machine learning, which will enhance data analysis capabilities. Greater inference will be placed on the real-time data processing and insight. The graph databases are expected to become more prevalent in enterprise solutions. Now coming to the conclusion, the transmitting of the information to knowledge is a critical process for the enterprises utilizing graph structures can significantly enhance under and the decision making. Organization that master this process will better positioned for the process. Thank you.